Oh, that was tough right there. That's the one. That's the one right there.
Yeah, I'm super excited to talk to EB, especially that first time. Just talked about Indiana, and I just told her what a great Liverpool fan base we have here.
Okay, that's a little bit.
Approach each day and value each day with a certain discipline, a certain expectation, a certain understanding, and we have to go out and we have to live with it.
Oh, that was tough right there. That's the one. That's the one right there.
Just checking on them to make sure that they're good, because when you're playing tight and worried about being cut, you're usually not being your best self.
Just, a sweet, kind-hearted person. I feel like I kind of got those traits unless I'm on the basketball court.
Yeah. You look jacked. Thank you. Do you guys like my screams?
Very loud.
Everyone else got their makeup done and you did your own beat.
Yes, I've been practicing my makeup for I'd say 4 years now.
Feel it from the moment you walk in the door. You're so excited to get here and get just around everybody because that's how much we're putting into what we're doing.